Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily add up a row of numbers with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, click the open cell just after the numbers that you want to add. Then click on the Formulas tab. Next, click on the AutoSum button. You can see that Excel automatically inserted the formula needed to add these numbers together. Hit the Enter key, and you have the total of all your numbers. The same can be done to add the numbers in a column, by clicking on the cell just below the numbers you want to add. Click on Formulas. Click on AutoSum. And hit the Enter key. And you now have the total of all your numbers in your column. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.